Hey guys, welcome back. So a couple months ago I was at Lowe's and I ran into a guy who just sold his Luv, and he was in the process of moving from California to Arkansas. Ron asked me if I would be interested in a new dash, and he might have some other parts for a Chevy Luv he'd be bringing with him. Of course I said yes, and 6 or 8 weeks later, here it is. The date code on the shipping label is 0419, and it was special ordered for Bill Lang Pontiac Cadillac in Vallejo, California. I'm going to guess that's January 9th of 2004, because dashboards were still fairly available at dealers then. It's a little dusty, but the box did its job. If you have a Luv, you know how rare these have become. I think it'll clean up real nice. This dash pad's probably been in that box for over 20 years. I've had a few dash pads, but never one this nice. I wiped it down with a dry microfiber towel, and it looks pretty good. If you were doing a full restoration or making a show truck, this would be the dash to use. Amazing. Here's a look at the back. You can see the spray foam that they use on them. It's too bad somebody couldn't remake these and we could all have a new one now. So here's the dilemma. My truck has the original dash with a dash cap. It has a few cracks here and there that really don't bother me too much. Sure, it would look great, but it doesn't need to. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think I should do. For me, a set of coilovers and a set of aerospace front brakes would make a world of difference in this truck. So for now, I'm just going to think about it and see what my options are. Again, leave a comment down below. What would you do in this situation? Is a new dash the most important thing? I don't know. It sure is pretty though, isn't it? Another cool part I got from Ron was this headliner kit for a Chevy Luv. It allows you to put your cassette player and 4 speakers up above, and it fits in the headliner. Came with everything: speakers, mounting kit, everything you need to hook it up. This is the manufacturer, and again, I've never seen one in a truck, but I have seen them in magazines. So there it is, a holy grail, and somehow it found me in central Arkansas in the middle of nowhere. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. And again, thanks for watching. T-shirts and hoodies now available at lovetruckgarage.com.